Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to replace the task of Itel mobile, Itel model Itel a16. So let's start the video. See now, sometimes task not working. See now, sometimes task not working. Hang this phone. So task change, and at first I remove the battery. Remove the battery at first, and for this you first need to open this screw of the mobile. I all screw open, and then when screw is unlocked, I will open the frame of the mobile. Then I will open the frame of the mobile. Now I open the task Ramon, and now I give a use hot gun on the task on the mobile. When heat complete, I replace the task. Wait few seconds. Now it complete, and I slowly open the task lastly, and I safely open task. Wait, safely open task. Safely open task, see now, and replace all tasks and set up new task, and cleaning this all side this phone, and I will safely remove task, not open full motherboard, and remove the touch. See now, remove the dust, and cleaning all side cleaning. When cleaning complete, I will apply a gum all. Now I will apply gum all side. I will apply gum all side and all corner. When complete, I will apply a new task, set up on phone. Now applying all side gum now complete, and need to a new task. See now, this is the new task, and I will apply a new task this phone. At first I plug in a remote and applying the task on phone. And I set up motherboard step by step. Now touch setup complete, and I plug in the remote, this phone motherboard, and plug in camera remote motherboard, and plug in touch remote motherboard. Finally I have finished my work, and now I will fit the mobile in this way. And I testing the phone. Press the power button on this phone. Now my work is complete, and test. Task working, not hang problem, and full working. If you like the video, you must subscribe to channel. Thank you all viewers. Thank you. Bye bye.